Brake! He missed it. I do mine the cheating way. Cause I suck at U-turns. Just riding around with your friends. Beautiful sunsets. It's not because we all have our socks on. Get a room. Disgusting. Here's some. Yes. Yes. I love you. But I'm about to get myself a concussion with how my brain be rattling in my head, doing my head nod, head bobs, head nods, head nods. You can tan your butthole. It's a perfect trigonometry angle right there. What's going on, boys? We got K in the cut, we have Zeus, and we have Flo. But we're gonna go ride PCH. A beautiful neutral. Give me a sec. Give me just one sec. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I still can't find it. I give up. I'm just gonna hold it. I can't find neutral. But beautiful sunset. Little chilly, but I'm all layered up. I'm ready to go. I'm wired. I just drank a bang right now, so we're gonna be rolling. Okay. I said just shake it. Here we go. I saw that blade. I can't do it. My bag's open. Flo is gone. I don't know where Flo is. Hi. There we go. Hopefully we get this video up. I still got the compilation video, this one, and then we're gonna go take the R1 to the winners in Arizona of the PDM brands. Go ahead, stay tuned for their next giveaway bike, and you could win if you went to. That was like a 3, probably like a 2. What the? Deer? If I see a deer, I'm chasing it. I don't care what it is. I don't care where it is. I'm chasing it. Oh, shit. Okay, well there goes that. Oh my god, I just got a heart attack. Hey, there's Flo. Okay, little baby flames. That's not a boulder. That's a rock. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You can't get this anywhere else. Beautiful weather and beautiful sunsets. We're about to make some ruckus. We're about to be hooligans. That looks so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Move. I'm kidding. I smell the fish. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Wow. It's always just being at the beach is a vibe. I don't know what about it. It's just like the sunset. You got people. That's sick. Oh, McLaren! I want to see it! Can I see it? Can I see it? I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. Ah! Oh? Go off! Oh my goodness. I miss riding the R1 so much. Even though the H2 is just like a whole different beast. The R1's my baby. I can't replace you, girl. Come on, you know that. Brethren. I don't know what that means. He said his gas tank? What? Oh wait, that was Sim. I'm like, wait, what? Who is that? I'm an idiot. Look at it. I can't. We'll get a nice view right here. The weather, clear air. Wow. You got Iron Man. You got the beach. You got a beautiful sunset. Oh my gosh. This is what it's about, just riding around with your friends, beautiful sunsets. It's not because we all have our socks on and we're just vibing, you know? Are we doing a U-turn? U-turn? I do mine the cheating way. Because I suck at U-turns. Yeah. Because I already know I suck at U-turns. So your boy has to take advantage of the time that he's got. Okay, there we go. Look at that. See you later, suckers. Works harder, not so. I mean, work smarter, not harder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. It's such a vibe. Extra speed or something. Wow, look at that house. Imagine that house. Oh my goodness. Hold on, I gotta get a room. Disgusting. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. Dude, that house though, just imagine you're just butt naked looking at the beautiful sunset. Water's flowing. I mean, maybe a whale or two could see you, but other than that, you could tan your butthole. It's a perfect trigonometry angle right there. Well, all of us bleached our butthole at the same time. Right until the sun set, and now we're heading back. Look at this. I swear favela was made right here. Well, I mean, there's a favela in the other country. I don't know my astrology, but I'm pretty sure it's either like in Spain or Brazil or somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah. Modern Warfare 2 map. If you know, you know. Best COD ever, don't at me. Oh. Hi. I hear shots. my goodness. I found neutral. Go off then. Okay. Look at this. Brake. He missed it. Look at the doggies. They're smelling each other. Don't you think it's a little weird? What if like humans like smelled each other first interaction? Hey yo, come here, let me smell you. They're straight sniffing each other. Oh, I don't like this. We're going. I like this. We're doing like a little circle. A little maze action. Alright, well we're heading back. That was a nice little beach trip ride. When has it ever been like 75 degrees in Cali during Christmas? Last year? Like, understandable. But other than that, like, that's it. All the other years, like, bro, I'm telling you, these windmills be causing global warming because they be pushing all the hot air around the world when it goes. That's literally all it is. It's just, that's how global warming starts. Hashtag, get rid of all the windmills. What? A Prius? Getting out of the way? Thanks, dude. This is more like a little chill video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I love you guys. Thank you for all the continuous support. We are working on my hoodies, I promise. I promise. We will get them up next year. Well, I don't know when this video is going to be. In 2023, we will get our hoodies up. Guaranteed. If not, I'm selling my right nut. I got this, guys. Right here. Give me some. Give me some. Yes. Yes. I love you. 3, 2, 1. I'm a mop the wizard. You saw how I called that? But I'm gonna get myself a concussion with how my brain be rattling in my head, doing my head bobs, head nods.